Thank you very much. Oliver, may I ask you to come on stage? The young, dynamic Swiss. Oliver Heinrich. It's his first presentation. He's saying that his knees are shaking. I can't see anything of it. Stage is yours, Oliver. You will do well.
Thank you. I'm Oliver Heinrich, and I'm from Soldati. We're an SME founded in 1982, based in Emmen-Lucerne, which is in Switzerland, where the beautiful mountains are. We're just right next to the Pilatus, which I think is one of the most beautiful mountains in Switzerland. Currently, we employ 15 people. We are building solutions in many different industries, just like food, medical, logistics, packaging, and the general industries. We also have a new product in our portfolio, the G44, which is an autonomous robot which can handle parts from drilling or milling machines by itself. But for more information, see our homepage or ask Oliver Baumann. We feel comfortable handling requests that have never seen before. Now we see a short overview about why we are here. The new coin packaging machine for Swiss Mint. It took 1 year of engineering and many weeks of commissioning to final deliver in 24. Of course, we engineered the machine to state-of-the-art standards, but our goal was to invent the fastest coin packaging machine within a compact layout. It wasn't possible to just copy the old current one. Special mention should be made of the coin roll alignment, the box erecting cell, and the palletizing cell. Every coin can be handled without time-consuming change process. We built a high-performance machine in a very small place. I will show you in the next few foils the details of these units. Just let the film end. So, question to you. What is this machine for? It is for all official Swiss coins. There are 7 of it. It packaged them into coin rolls and packaged the coin rolls into high-specific and unique paper boxes, closing them, strapping them 3 times, and put a label on it with all production details. Final, palletizing them onto a pallet. All full automatically. This is an overview of what was shown on the video. Let's begin with the 2 starting units of this machine. There are 2 main incoming and 1 outgoing places. A whole lot of coins which we must fill in first. The drawers also need to be filled. There are other smaller inputs just like the staples, printing ink, roll paper, and strapping tape, but let's take a look to the first one, the coin roll production line. Each Swiss one can be handled without tool-needed adjustment. First, the bunker must be filled, then the single coins getting transported to the 2 rolling machines. The produced rolls are timed and dropped onto the conveyor belt. Each roll is then weighted and printed before it hands over to the coin roll packaging machine. By processing the rolls as we do in a time sequence, we're able to dispense with a need for a buffer system. Not that everything was easy. We had an issue which was really hard to fix precisely. The solution seems so simple. Yeah, you know, due to the standard machine we used, we really didn't expect this one. After installing a braking flap into the rolling machine, the issue was resolved. So, really simple solution. Now let's take a look to the second main income station, the box erecting cell. There are 2 drawers into which a customer can place the unfolded boxes. The robot automatically picks 1 by 1 and folds it the first time. After that, the axis takes over and folds the 2 remaining bottom flaps. But before it hands over to the coin roll packaging machine, it gets 2 tacks to ensure that the bottom flaps won't open again. 0.75 to 1.2 seconds. That's the cycle time of 1 coin roll, depending on the system configuration. After handing over the empty boxes and the coin rolls to the first cell, the box is getting filled with the coin rolls. Here we were truly innovative and invented a never-seen method for aligning coin rolls. By aligning the rolls as we do, we're able to eliminate many unnecessary movements. This innovation reduces cycle time. To lose as little time as possible, there are two aligning axes. I chose this video because it shows the fastest system configuration for 2 francs. The upstream 2 franc roll production line is the slowest compared to the others. However, since there are only 5 rolls in a row, this one and all the others must operate at full speed. The fast creation of filled boxes affects all areas of the system. At least it produces 1 roll in approximately 1 second, but 1 box in 26 seconds. Due to the possibility for upgrading to a second coin roll production line, we engineered the machine to reduce cycle time by half. This means 13 seconds per box. This is really fast. Once the box is full, it's handed over to the box closing cell. Here it is important to note that each flap must be closed step by step. Once the flaps are closed, the box is handed over to the strapping station. All boxes get 3 straps, 1 lengthwise and 2 crosswise. After strapping the boxes, the front and back sides are printed with the last 2 digits of the current year. Right to the next unit, the weight check-in and labeling unit. Every box must be weight checked to ensure that it has the correct number of rolls in it. If the weight is correct, the box is handed over to the labeling station. If not, it is separated from the production line. Every correctly weighted box gets a label with all production details on it. Here too, if the label is in any way incorrect or damaged, the box is separated from the production line. So, I have another question to you. I have an example of 1 box, normal, they're full and really heavy. What do you think? How heavy can a box get? Show me by raising your hands. Who thinks it is 5 kilograms? Oh, there's one. Sorry, you're wrong. Who thinks it is 10 kilograms? Okay, we're getting close. Now I can weight up to 30.5 kilograms. So, in a really small volume, really dense stuff. So our initial plan was to place single suction cups to grip the box between the straps, but we weren't happy with that. It was wrong and it caused many failures. Additionally, we tried to achieve better accuracy by the strapping machines, but we have to resolve it another way. So we resolved this issue with a complete re-engineering of this gripper by replacing the single suction cups by our aerial gripper. But before we installed and tested this, I really thought that would never work because the straps are really rough. But fortunately I was wrong and it works very well. We never had this issue again. But not just to talk about the gripper. It's also important to note that every box requires a unique and high specific palletizing pattern. Thank you for your attention.